stop right there. Before you reach for that blouse this morning, I need you to hear this, because it could change everything about the way the world sees you today. There are 7 blouse mistakes that are quietly aging you. And the most devastating part? Most Black women over 60 have no idea they are making a single one of them. Every morning they get dressed, and every morning those mistakes are working against them. Here is what I know. The way a blouse sits on your body speaks before you ever open your mouth. It tells a room whether you command respect or whether you disappear into the background. And you did not get to 60 and beyond to disappear into anything. You are too powerful for that, too elegant, too extraordinary. So let us fix this together. Right now, mistake 1, the too baggy blouse trap. I say this with love. Reaching for a blouse 2 or 3 sizes too big because you want to hide your body is one of the most costly mistakes I see women make after 60. Here is the truth no one is telling you. It does the exact opposite of what you intend. An oversized shapeless blouse does not conceal anything. It erases your shape entirely. It makes you look wider, heavier, and it sends a message that you have stopped caring. And that is the furthest thing from the truth about who you are. The women who look polished and wealthy after 60 are not hiding behind fabric. They are wearing pieces that gently follow the natural flow of their body. Not tight, not clingy, but intentional and fluid. What you want is a blouse that skims. Drapey silk blends, soft crepe, structured linen that moves with you rather than swallowing you whole. Try this. A soft ivory crepe blouse, slightly relaxed, half tucked into high-waisted caramel wide-leg trousers with a thin gold belt and nude mule heels. Elegant, intentional, rich. Mistake 2, the too tight, too stiff blouse. On the opposite end, and just as damaging, is the blouse that is too snug or made from fabric, with no give, no movement, no breath. A stiff, tight blouse pulls across the chest. It grips the arms. It creates tension lines that draw the eye to exactly the places you would rather it not go. And worse, it reads as cheap because truly beautiful clothing never fights your body. It works alongside it. The fabrics you need feel almost liquid when you hold them. Silk and silk blends, high quality crepe, soft cotton poplin, breathable linen, lightweight matte jersey. These fabrics move when you move and drape when you stand still. They make a $60 blouse look like it costs $600. Try a soft, dusty rose silk blend blouse with wide leg charcoal trousers and pointed toe black flats. Understated and unmistakably sophisticated. Mistake 3, necklines working against your face. Your neckline is the frame around the most important part of your outfit, your face. If that frame is wrong, nothing else in the look can save it. High, stiff, closed necklines that crowd the throat, shorten the neck visually. They push your face into shadow. They block your jewelry from doing its most important work. And they read as dated rather than distinguished. The necklines that serve Black women over 60 beautifully are open, airy, and elegant. A soft V-neck, a gentle scoop neck, an open collarless neckline, a soft cowl neck, and a luxurious fabric. These necklines elongate your neck, draw the eye toward your face, and give your gold chains, pearls, and statement earrings the space to be truly seen. Try a deep V-neck blouse in rich emerald green crepe with high-waisted black trousers, gold hoops, and black pointed pumps. The emerald illuminates deep skin tones beautifully. The V-neck draws every eye straight to your face. Mistake 4, overwhelming prints that steal your spotlight. Color is joy. Pattern is personality. You have every right to both, but there is a difference between expressing yourself through a print and disappearing behind one. When a print is too large, too chaotic, too saturated, the blouse becomes the loudest thing in the room. Not you. People see the fabric. They do not see your eyes, your smile, your presence, or your power. What works is smaller, more controlled patterns, a delicate abstract in 2 or 3 complementary tones, a refined ditzy floral in muted sophisticated colors, a subtle geometric in navy and cream, prints that add dimension without overwhelming. The most expensive looking printed blouses are always the ones where the print feels deliberate and restrained. Not timid, restrained. There is a powerful difference. Try a small, refined, black and white abstract print blouse with wide leg camel trousers, black pointed mules, and a structured black handbag. Clean, chic, and completely elevated. Mistake 5. Blouses that are far too long. When a blouse drops past the widest part of your hips and keeps going, your legs visually shorten. Your body becomes one long rectangular block of fabric. The beautiful shape your trousers or skirt could create is completely buried. The golden rule is this: your hem should end right at the hip bone or just slightly below it. That precise point creates a natural visual break that lengthens the legs, balances the silhouette, and makes the entire outfit look intentional and complete. If you love a longer top, tuck the front in and let the back hang, or belt it at the waist. Sophisticated solutions that work for every body. Try a soft ivory blouse hemmed exactly at the hip bone with high-waisted, wide-leg black trousers, a slim black belt, black pointed heels, and a single strand of pearls. Immaculate. Mistake 6. Sleeves that are quietly betraying you. Your sleeves define the arm, frame your wrists and hands, and direct the eye either toward your most beautiful features or away from them. Sleeves too tight along the arm draw attention to the upper arm in a way that serves no one. Heavily puffed sleeves add width at the shoulder where most women do not want it. And sleeves that end right at the widest part of the upper arm make that area appear larger. It is one of the most common and least discussed sleeve mistakes of all. The sleeve shapes that flatter women over 60 share one quality: softness and intentional length. A 3/4 sleeve ending just below the elbow is universally elegant. It shows a sliver of skin, draws the eye down toward your wrist, and creates ease and polish at the same time. A gently draped bracelet-length sleeve in a fluid fabric works beautifully too. Try a 3/4 sleeve silk blend blouse in deep navy with tailored cream wide leg trousers, nude pointed heels, and a gold cuff bracelet at the wrist. Refined and radiant. Mistake 7. Cheap fabric is the final betrayal. Everything else can be perfect. The cut, the color, the proportions, the neckline, the sleeve. But if the fabric is wrong, none of it matters. Cheap fabric announces itself the moment light touches it. It carries a synthetic sheen that communicates everything you did not intend. It wrinkles when you sit. It pills after a few washes. It drapes poorly and clings in unflattering places. It can single-handedly undermine a look that had everything else going for it. The fabrics that build real elegance do not have to be expensive. They just have to be right. Crepe. Silk and silk blends, soft cotton poplin, quality linen, matte jersey. The test is simple. Hold the fabric to the light. If it has a plastic sheen, put it back. If it falls softly with beautiful weight and movement, that is your blouse. The final look pulls every lesson together. A silk blend ivory blouse with a soft V-neck and 3/4 sleeves, hemmed at the hip bone, worn with high-waisted camel wide-leg trousers, a thin gold belt, nude pointed heels, a cognac leather tote, and layered gold necklaces. Nothing complicated, nothing wildly expensive, but it looks like an absolute $1 million because every single element is doing its job and nothing is working against you. Closing. Pick one mistake from these 7, just one, and correct it this week. Change the fabric, fix the sleeve, open the neckline, get the proportion right, then look in that mirror and tell me you do not feel the difference in how you carry yourself. Drop your answer in the comments. Which of these 7 mistakes have you been making without knowing it? I read every single one. Subscribe to Elegant Melanin After 50 if you are not yet part of this family, because you did not come this far to be anything less than magnificent. Until next time, walk tall, dress with intention, and always remember, elegance has no expiration date, and neither do you.